Today I have set up the equipment for internal resistance of a battery experiment. So I will show you how I've set up my circuit, what is connected with what, and you will be able to make online measurements and draw your graphs. So here we go. Here's my circuit. Let me start with the batteries first. As you can see, this end 1.5 connected to the other one in series 1.5, so that's 3 volts. Follow the cable. This is 4.5 and 6. So I should be providing from this point to that point 6 volts. This is my voltmeter. So I will use the two ends of my voltmeter and I will connect in parallel to the 6 volts. Looking at my voltmeter, it's showing me 6.17 volts that it is providing. So that is the EMF that is measured in my circuit. This is providing a series loop following this yellow wire, goes to one end of my variable resistor. This is the varying end, the slider goes to my bulb. This will show us that the circuit is working. The bulb goes to my switch. And from the switch, I have my ammeter that I placed here, set up as an ammeter, which goes all the way back to my bulb. So I have one series loop, including an ammeter and a voltmeter connected in parallel to my battery. So I should be able to get values, current running when I connect my switch. So let's go. Let's turn the switch on, and yes, I know my circuit is working and I am getting measurements. So let's see how those measurements change. Okay, let's first start from the lowest end of the variable resistor. So as soon as I move the slider to the lower end, this is how much I am including from this point to that point. There's low resistance from the rheostat included in the circuit, which decreases the total resistance. It should increase the total current, which does make the bulb brighter. So just to show you, when I increase the total resistance, you see that the bulb is getting less and less and less bright because this decreases the current. So let's start from the low resistant end of my variable resistor. What we need is a set of measurements. As you remember from the beginning of the video, the voltmeter is showing how much voltage I am getting to the circuit when the circuit is running. So just to show you again, when the circuit is not running, the voltmeter is measuring 6.10. That is the EMF of the cell. When the circuit is running, now we call this terminal voltage, what I am providing to the circuit when the circuit is in use, when there is current. So the lower value when the circuit is running, measured from the two same terminals, is because of internal resistance, and that's what we're after. So we will make voltage and current measurements. So if this is the voltage I provide to the whole circuit and this is the current in the circuit, we're going to plot that and see how that gives us internal resistance. So now your job is to keep pausing the video and make measurements that go together. So this could be your first measurement, 5.16 volts and 0.36 amperes. As I change during the video, you need to keep pausing at 5 different points and record the pair of readings, which will be your data collection. Here we go. Now it's time to graph this.